People think that destiny can't be changed, but the truth is, destiny lies in every small action that you take. तुमचं खाणं, तुमचं झोपणं, तुमचं routine, it all adds up. And that becomes your true sehat and your true niyati. Hello, I am Niyati and this is Sehat Ki Niyati, which literally means that your health is your destiny. The idea behind this is to create a safe space where we can talk about nutrition, lifestyle, exercise, and healing. This is my first venture, and honestly, I'm so excited. I've got amazing videos lined up for you guys, and I hope they really inspire you and help you in some ways. सो हा जो कॉन्टेंट आहे तो 2 भाषेत होणार आहे, इंग्लिश आणि मराठी आणि ओके 3 थोडं थोडं हिंदी. बट आय वॉन्ट ऑल ऑफ युअर ब्लेसिंग्स. मला तुमच्या सगळ्यांचा आशीर्वाद हवा आहे टू स्टार्ट विथ दिस. अँड येस, आय एम व्हेरी एक्सायटेड. लेट्स सी हाऊ दिस गोज. चिअर्स.